going, guys? So this video you're going to see me finding some old bottles, doing a little bit of metal detecting as usual, and I hit this old blacksmith shop that I'd never hit before, so it was a pretty cool hunt. Found some stuff that was very interesting. Come check it out, enjoy, God bless, and roll that beautiful dirt footage. Got the button, now I got the toe tap. Getting closer to the coins. Let's go. Woo! Pretty cool. Got me a little miniature keyhole cover, skeleton keyhole cover. I'll take it. I just dug another miniature keyhole cover, so that's weird. I laid my detector down and it started beeping and I had a high tone, so let's dig this together. $79.80, that's crazy. I just laid my detector down. Oh, let's hit that one more time. And it's right on top. That could be something good, guys. Sorry for the wind. Man, that thing's right on top. Wow. Is that it? No. That's it. That's it. That's a token. I can already tell it's lightweight. It's aluminum too. Oh, it'll be something cool. Look at that. I know it's windy, y'all. You have to bear with me. I didn't even want to come out today because it was so windy. I really didn't expect to find much out here. I've dug this so much, but you know how it is. It's never dug out, guys. Dug this side a million times, but the field is so huge. It's just a huge bean field. Man, that's gonna have something cool on it. I'll clean it up and show you guys here in a second. It's got writing on it. Neat. So this item, guys, is actually a piece of the same watch fob that I found. I found this piece several months ago at the same site. So how cool is that? I found another piece to it. The other pieces are out there somewhere, so maybe I can find the rest of it one day. So how cool is that? The front part says Palace of Liberal Arts. The second side, the back side, says Palace of Electricity. These are two buildings that were in St. Louis during the fair. I'm on a little hot spot here, guys. Got another overall button. It says premium flyer. These are vintage. Some of them from the 20s, 30s, 40s. Cool. I think I'm getting on where the yard was, guys, so there could be coins in here, so stay tuned. Got me a complete old spoon. How about that? Battery's about to go dead. Gotta hurry up. It's getting late. You guys see that snake? I don't know what kind of snake that is, but I almost stepped on him. He's a baby. Gotta be careful out here. It's that time of the year. Hey guys, today I'm out here at an old blacksmith shop. I was told about it by the landowner, and then another person confirmed it for me. But they said they detected it before, and all they found was a bunch of iron. So I thought I'd give it a shot. I already had permission for the place, and I come across this. It's a good sign right here. It's old brass. I don't know what it is, but it's ornate piece of something, and it's brass. And that is definitely 1800s time period, late 1800s. Haven't hit a big iron field yet, but this is pretty cool. All right, I'm gonna try to get on a hot spot, try to find this blacksmith shop out here in this bean field. Stay tuned. Well, I think we're getting on track here. Here's a brass, looks like a pipe fitting of some sort. Oh, it's got writing on it. So let's say, looks like it says crane. Pretty cool. I'm definitely on a hot spot now, guys. I keep digging targets. Just dug some old pieces of copper. I just pulled this bad boy out. Now this looks definitely like it would have belonged to a blacksmith from the 1800s. It's got numbers on there or something. That is freaking sweet. Wonder what that has on there. Yeah, some numbers. That's pretty awesome. This is crazy, guys. I'm finding iron on the ground, and now looks like I got some sort of finial. Yep, a brass finial of some sort, and that's old. I mean, I'm getting high tones, low tones, iron. I found it. Didn't take me very long. Wow, it's just gonna be a relic day today. I know there's coins in here, but dang, there's so many relics. Got the D-buckle. Oh my goodness, guys, I had this huge, obnoxious signal, and it was deep, and this thing finally popped out of the ground. Pretty weird looking, but interesting. Solid brass. I found a lot of this solid brass piping type stuff out here, so I'm wondering if this is blacksmith related. Probably is. Could be wrong, but man, this place is loaded. I'd like to pull a coin or two out of here, but these relics are fun, man. Look at this, guys. This is beeping. I think it's a buck. 80, 81 on the AT Max. And Man, I could tell it was on top. I looked down, it's embedded in the ground. Another debuckle. I just found one right close to here. That's pretty cool. And if I'm finding debuckles, there should be a coin in here. Here's another good sign, guys. This is a bottle top, turn of the century, probably. Old seam goes through the lip, but it's old. Probably 1900, 1910 right there. Cork top. Evidence of the past, guys. This freaking Rains guy was right on top. Look at that. Blew my ears out. It was like a 99 signal. Crazy. There's just so much iron laying on top of the ground, guys. It's not even funny. Horse tack and just square nails. It's everywhere. I can't show you it all, but I want to show you some of it. I don't know what this thing is. Just dug another, I have no clue item. Anybody know? Solid brass. Okay guys, I just pulled this out, and then this was with it. It's a rosette. That's what I think. I think it's gonna have fancy design on there. Yeah, it's silver plated. Still got some of the silver wash on it. Yeah, looks like flowers or something. That's gonna be something cool. Might be the coolest find there right there. Hey y'all, I took a break from detecting for a second. Here's a spot that washes out that I check all the time. It's in late 1800s, early 1900s dump. And you can see I just pulled out a broken crock right here. There's a bunch of broken milks. Bowman Dairy Company. I think I might have a complete bottle right here finally. I'll pop it out with you guys. Yeah. Half pint. It says sealed half pint. Look at that. About to do some more digging in here. There's something else, but I think it's broke. Mason jar lid right there, broke. Might get into a good mess of some bottles in here. I found a nice miniature little cork top bottle washed up in here one day, and a little miniature Coke bottle. Wow, I was just digging in here, guys. Been pulling up tons of old glass, and the find of the day just popped up, and I didn't even find it metal detecting. It's a freaking peacock. That's what it looks like to me. Solid brass. That is freaking awesome. Check that out. It went on to something. Huh. Man, maybe I should run my metal detector through here. That's crazy. All right, let's see if I can find some more whole bottles. Oh, guys, I just pulled this out. It really had me going. It felt like it was all there. And yeah, how about that? That would have been a nice one. Nice old crock. Well, I'm not finding a whole lot, but I just dug this little brass heart. Pretty cool. Might have something on there. Might clean that off. I think it's another milk. This one's a bigger one. Hopefully it has embossing. As much as I've dug on this today, I'd like at least 3 good ones out of here. Could have been metal detecting, but I like bottles too, guys. It looks there. Oh, it's, oh, pff, are you serious right now? That will still display pretty decent. Is that St. Louis Dairy? Oh, man. St. Louis Dairy Co. Are you serious? And it's freaking broke at the top, guys. Ah, what a heartbreaker. That's still cool though. It will still display pretty cool. St. Louis Dairy Co. You know there's gotta be more in here. I found a bunch of broken tops like that, so. All right, let's get back at it. Hey guys, I just got done with the little bottle dig out there and the old blacksmith shop. So I knew the water got low at my Fairgrounds Creek. I got a bottle. That looks like a barbershop bottle. Oh yeah. That's gonna be a barbershop bottle, I'm pretty sure. Let's see. Oh my gosh. It says herbicide. Herbicide quality products for the hair and scalp. Yep. That is cool. It's all ornate on the sides. Got that Art Deco. It says on the bottom. This one might not be 1800s, but it could be. I have to look it up. With that bottom, it's probably between 1900 and 1920. That's freaking awesome. I think I got a wheat penny here, so. First target, I just got out here at Justin's spot again where I found that Indian Wars button in my last video. Swinging in the woods where it hasn't been detected very much, so let's find some stuff. Just snagged me a little, I think it's a test overalls button. I've dug them before, but not this variant. That's pretty cool. Still swinging up in this real thick stuff where this old road used to be in front of this old house that sits out in this bean field, and part of it sat in this wood line. Look at this stuff I'm swinging in, guys. Look how hairy it is in here. I mean, I'm sticking the detector just way up in here around all these little shrubs and trees. I just pulled out this very old hatchet, and I know it's old. Look at that notch right there off the top of it, because you can age them by how far back this is. Wherever the pole went through, the stick, the further back the older it is. So this is mid to early 1800s or so. Sweet. Still swinging up in this thick stuff, guys. And I had a choppy signal, really shallow, hitting like a 69, 70, almost like an Indian head penny. And I'm pretty sure I got my second old flat button out of here. And that's freaking awesome. And that's freaking old. Shanked up, yes. I've never found one with anything fancy on the front. Let's see if it has anything on there. Nope, it's basic, guys, but still very old, early 1800s colonial button. All right, y'all, still working through all these thick vines, but it's worth it when you hear that little squeak. Add another 70 to 68, 69 signal, just like that flat button I just found, and it's real shallow. I ain't even gonna need a shovel. Most of my targets have been really shallow. It says it's right there. Heck, this could be an Indian head penny too, or another flat button. There it is. I think that's a flat button. That's crazy, guys. Well, hold on. No, that's not a flat button, that's a coin. It's probably Indian. It was ringing up Indian range. It's real shady right here underneath all these vines. I don't know if you guys can see very good. Yeah, that's gonna be an Indian head penny. It was ringing up just like one. Man, I had to work for that. Look at this stuff. It's like a jungle in here, guys. I only got so many open gaps. See, the bean field's out here and the house side out there in the barn. So if you see my last video, I just snug up in here and there's a road that went through here. The house probably sat right on the other side of this road where I'm at. Try to get a live date real quick. That's gonna be an Indian. Oh yeah. There's the date right there. You can see, getting the light here. Yeah, you can see it coming through. Trying out. All right, I'm back. I can make out 1880 something. So we're in the 1880s. That last number I can't quite make out. Might be able to when I get home and look at it with my magnifying glass and toothpick it a little bit better. All right, that's awesome. 1880s, baby. It's got this, I think it's a suspender buckle of some sort. It's bent right there. Should have writing somewhere. Probably, they usually do.